Autodesk Inventor, you know, if you go click new, it brings you into this, and you go to projects and click new again, and I've set the default path in the options. So you click this, so it's not a Vault project, which I guess is on the cloud. Now I set the, you know, you can see the directory showing up where it is, but I'm going to go ahead and, well, shit. Oh. A bunch of bullshit. Choose this. I can't believe it didn't. Anyway, gripes aside, name your project. That's project 1. Anyway, there's no library, so let's click finish. That should create the project. Now what we're doing really is kind of creating a folder for projects to be in, you know. But it's easy if you want to. I mean, I've already created several parts in this without creating a project file, but, you know, it might be kind of nice to, you know, because these types of programs, you know, generate a host of different files, including assemblies, parts, etc. What the fuck was that? Now this little check mark here, you know, allows you to set what the default project is at any one point and what the active project is. So that's why this is kind of important. Because, you know, remember, we're going to create a lot of files, and it's important that it looks in the right directory, you know, for the assemblies and parts and all that stuff, so, and the drawings. Okay, now we're pretty much done with that. Now if you go back to this, you know, again, you got these various options, and I think I installed this as millimeters or some shit by default. That's why it keeps defaulting to millimeters and everything in all these programs. But you know, anything, you know, with an IPT is a part file, you know. Anything with an IAM is an assembly drawing. So, and these are actually just drawings, like blueprints. So, you know, sheet metal you can see is a part drawing. So, I forgot what this was. You know, but again, these are assemblies right here. That's ANSI and weldment assembly, and this is a standard assembly. Anyway,
and then we'll look at the other environments as you.
Anyway, let's go ahead and open up a standard part. And I've also set my background too. You know, if you want to change any of these things, you know, of course you can go to options, which is one good thing Autodesk has done, is try to make these programs all operate in a similar set of user interfaces. But you can also go to tools, you know, hit application options, and that brings you up all this stuff, and you can, you know, go to display or colors. But, you know, I changed my background from a gradient, which is cool looking, but it's hard to see the dimensions and stuff. Okay, then as you can see, you know, we're actually in the sketch. It's saying finish sketch, so it automatically defaults to sketch mode, which is fine. And we'll get into drawing in the next video.